As the great Tupac Shakur states in his 1998 song, God Bless the Dead, yo, big, this is to you, my homie. Springfield Hollis crew. Thug life, YGs. Sending their respect, you know what I mean? You my homie for life, forever. You're always gonna be with your brother, no matter what. Don't forget that. Here Tupac reminisces over his lost homie, brother, and friend, Biggie Smalls. Biggie was like a brother to Tupac, took care of him, and helped Tupac to accomplish much in his life. Now, I would like to thank some people in my life who helped me accomplish the awesome rank of Eagle Scout. First, I would like to thank Mr. Finan. Mr. Finan was my first Scoutmaster, a very kind man. He helped me through my initial years in scouting, and for that I'm very thankful. Next, I would like to thank my second Scoutmaster, Mr. Ross. Mr. Ross led me through the final steps towards Eagle. For both my Scoutmasters, I am grateful. In addition to my Scoutmasters, I would like to thank several other adult leaders. Mr. Center, Mr. Winan, Mrs. Hillman, Mr. Tolley, Mr. Welsh, and Mrs. Crandall. These people helped me through my scouting career in various ways. Merit badges, camping trips, and many great learning experiences. Thank you. I'd like to thank my Aunt Sally for coming all this way to see me. She's an amazing woman, and from what I can tell, a great older sister to my mother. I love you, and thank you. I would like to thank my Aunt Lisa for also coming all this way to see me. She is super cool and laid back. I love you, and thank you. Now, I'd like to thank my Uncle Timmy for coming all this way. Uncle Timmy is the coolest uncle I could ask for. He teaches me things beyond the knowledge of a Boy Scout. For example, one Christmas, I think it was in the 7th grade, he taught me how to put an M80 firecracker in a pumpkin and not to blow my hand off. For this, I'm grateful. Every time he is in town, I have an amazing time. We always have a bunch of fun. I want to thank you for being a great role model and how to live life to the fullest. I love you and thank you. 3 years ago, in the summer of 2014, I traveled to Florida and had one of the greatest adventures of a lifetime at the Florida Sea Base. The adventure at the Florida Sea Base was like something out of a movie. We hunted iguanas, lived on an island for a week, we fished. It was an amazing experience. The boys I traveled with on this trip will have a place in my heart for a lifetime, and all of these men are present today. What made our trip about a million times better was our leader on the island, Kenny Chamberlain. Kenny's one of the coolest people I know. He had made our trip what it was. Kenny owns his own parkour company. He's a go-getter and leads a very entrepreneurial lifestyle. Kenny's a great role model. He's very admirable and a great person. I enjoyed learning from him. I would wish him luck with his company and all his adventures, but I know he doesn't need it. The summer of 2014, when I said goodbye to Kenny, I would keep him in my heart forever, being such an inspiration. I thought I would never see him again. Today, Saturday, February 4th, at 11:03 a.m., I woke up and walked into the kitchen, half awake. First thing I see is a blonde man who's back to me and eating all our food. My first thought is, what is this kid doing in my house? Why is he eating my food? He turned around, and to my pleasant surprise, it was Kenny. I was ecstatic. This person I had not seen in 3 years was in my kitchen. We catch up a little bit, and then I realized I need to add this to my speech. So I go and do that, and as I'm writing this, I'm thinking of how far he traveled, all the hardships of airports, booking flights, and all that. He did this just to see me. All the memories of the Florida Sea Base, and the greatest time I had came rushing back to me. It was exhilarating. This shows the important people in your life will always come to those important. Kenny, I would like to thank you for an amazing time at the Florida Sea Base, teaching me and for coming all this way to see me. You will always have a special place in my heart. Thank you.
Offer you here, you earned it.
I would like to thank the coolest priest I know, Mr. Romero. I didn't know they could make priests this cool. Mr. Romero is awesome. I would like to thank him for being an awesome teacher, a great role model, a fellow Eagle Scout, and for their lessons for today. I strongly suggest you talk to him after the Court of Honor. And if you don't like God that much, he's probably going to talk about God, because that's what priests do. But you can also talk to him about life, movies, pop culture, and anything. As I said, he's awesome. Thank you, Mr. I would like to thank my Bellarmine brothers here today, standing amongst the stands. Go Bells. These boys are what makes my Bellarmine experience awesome, and I could not get through high school without them. I love you all. Thank you. I'd like to thank my escort, Mark Merrill, who's on his phone right now. Mark is an amazing role model and a super cool friend. The best way to describe Mark is a 14-year-old boy with the intelligence and work ethic of a Stanford student in a man's body. Thank you. I would like to thank everyone who helped me in my Eagle project. In my opinion, it's the best Eagle project I have ever done. The church is extremely happy with the outcome. They get great use out of it, and I appreciate all the hard work my friends and family did to help me with this amazing project. I'd like to thank all my friends and family who traveled so far to come here and see me. I would like to thank all the boys on stage. We went through scouting together, and I love the adventures. And as the famous proverb goes, it's about the journey, not the destination. But as the little Mexican girl in the taco commercial says, why not both? I agree with you, girl, because both are pretty sweet. I would like to thank my grandfather, who is here on stage with me today. He did an amazing job raising my father. My father is the second best person I know, compared to my mother. I would also like to thank him for coming all this way to see me. I appreciate that. I love you. Thank you. I would like to thank my grandfather out in the stands. He did an amazing job raising my mother, who's the best person I know. I would also like to thank him for coming all this way to see me. I really appreciate it. Love you, Grandma. I would like to thank my father for initiating my journey through scouting, for dealing with me as a little rambunctious Cub Scout, for teaching me how to build fires, use knives, tie knots, and probably the most important thing, how to poop in a bag while you're freezing your butt off while snow camping. I thank you for all of this, Dad, and I appreciate you so much. I love you. Also for being the second best person I know. I would like to thank the best person I know, my mother. I cannot think of a stronger or smarter woman than her. I would like to thank her for supporting my scouting career and helping me along the way, for helping me pack my bags, to teaching me sanitation tricks that I would not use at camp. I cannot thank you enough, Mom. I love you so much. And finally, I would like to thank all of you for coming to support me and my fellow Eagle Scouts on stage today. I would also like to thank my family who traveled from all over this country for this day. I really appreciate this. I hope you enjoyed the Court of Honor. When it rains, most birds head for shelter. The eagle is the only bird that, to avoid the rain, starts flying above the cloud. Now, I will introduce my second favorite British person, to the guy from Top Gear, James Doherty.